Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
I'm Jolyn.
I'm going to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So this week we're going to be showing you 2 DIY recipes for your feet.
Yeah, taking care of your feet is so important. And every once in a while we need a little bit of TLC. So today we're going to be showing you how to make a foot soak followed by a foot scrub to exfoliate your skin.
Yes, and if you stay tuned to the end of this week's Facebook Live, you'll find out how to enter and win our beautiful white oblong diffuser. And we'd like to say a special congratulations to Stephanie. She was our Facebook Live giveaway winner for last week. And happy Friday, Donna. So this week we're going to be doing our DIYs. So they're really fun and easy to do. And they're great gifts to give to your friends or a family member, and they both contain Plantlife bath salts.
Yeah, and our bath salts are sun-dried and hand-harvested using an over 2,000-year-old Celtic farming method. This preserves the purity and the balance of the ocean's minerals.
Yes, and they're free of herbicides and pesticides. So you want to make sure if you're using a bath salt that they're free of herbicides and pesticides because your body actually absorbs them in. So Plantlife bath salts do not contain them, but they do contain a synergistic blend of essential oils that are formulated for a purpose. And not only that, they have over 84 vital minerals, so it's a no-brainer why we're using them in our DIY today.
Yeah, I love our bath salts. They come in a variety of smells and formulated uses. If you're not keen on using a scented bath salt, you can always use our scent-free bath salt and add your own aroma. Use Plantlife essential oils.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So we're going to start with our first DIY, which is a foot soak. I actually have a pre-measured cup of our scent-free bath salt, and we have it in the 16-ounce and in the 3-ounce package, and we're going to be using Plantlife Essential Oil Lavender right here. So I'm going to pour it in the bowl.
Nice.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put it evenly coated. We're going to add 12 drops of lavender essential oil. You can add more if you'd like, but I think the 12 drops is good enough.
So for people that are watching and they don't know what the benefits of using a foot soak is, can you give them a little insight?
Of course I can. So it actually soothes your muscles, it hydrates your skin, it reduces inflammation, and it relieves you of your aches and pains. And you're just going to want to mix it in. If you've been on your feet all day or wearing uncomfortable shoes, this is the way to go. And it doesn't hurt that we're using lavender essential oil to induce some relaxation.
Yes, and it smells amazing. So it's no wonder why it is relaxing. So what is next?
So you're going to want to store this in an airtight container if you're going to use it later. So I'm just going to pour it into the bowl right now real quick.
So this would actually make the perfect gift for like a friend or a loved one that are on their feet all day and need a little TLC like you were saying before.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to tell you guys how to use it. What you're going to do is you just need a quarter cup. You're going to fill up your bath, your little foot bath, or if you don't have a foot bath, you can use a bowl or you can use your bathtub. Just fill it up enough so that you can fully submerge your feet in there, and then mix the bath salt, and you only need to use it for about 10 to 15 minutes to do the job.
That is awesome.
Yeah, and now it's in my little container.
It's so cute. So after you do your foot soak, you can follow it up with a foot scrub. So if you're not sandal ready, don't worry. I'm going to be showing you how to make a detox foot scrub using our detox bath salt.
Yeah, and our detox bath salt is perfect for a scrub because it actually extracts your toxins and free radicals from the body.
Definitely. And doing a foot scrub can actually help get rid of your dry skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pre-measured cup of our detox bath salt. So this does come in the 16-ounce and 3-ounce as well. And then I'm going to pour in a half a cup of sweet almond oil. So I'm just going to pour it in kind of throughout so that it's not too lumpy. So you can use any carrier oil of your choice. I prefer to use sweet almond because it is on the cheaper side. So then you're just going to go ahead and mix this all together. And for the best results, I do suggest using this after your foot soak because your feet are nice and softened and ready for exfoliation.
Yeah, it looks really cool too.
Yes.
So how do you use it?
Okay, so to use it, what you do, so I'm just going to pour it into this jar. So you want to make sure that you pour it into an airtight container or something with a lid so you can store it for later. But to use it, what you do is, try not to make a mess here. I'll set this inside.
It looks really cool though.
Yeah. So to use it, what you do is you put it onto your wet or damp feet, and then you scrub it in a circular motion like so, and then you rinse it off, and then you pat dry, and you'll feel the amazing difference on your lovely exfoliated feet.
These DIYs are pretty awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and you can actually use this. You can make this for a friend, a family member, or if you need a little R&R yourself, store it in the container like Jasmine said, and use it for a treat yourself day later on.
Yes, and it is time for our giveaway.
Yay, giveaway. Jasmine, tell them how they can enter to win this beautiful white oblong diffuser.
So the way to enter is, what you'll do is you'll like this Facebook Live, and then in the comments down below, tell us what your favorite Plantlife product is and why.
Did you catch that, guys? It doesn't get easier than that. All you have to do is like this video, and then in the comments below, let us know what's your favorite, what product you like, and why.
Yes, and since we can give these as gifts, I would love to. So here.
Ooh, you're so nice. Here, you take mine.
Oh, thanks.
I like this one.
It's super cute. Or even better idea is to do a treat yourself day together.
Girls'
like
Day.
A girls' day, and we can use them both at the same time.
Yay! I love it, Jasmine.
So as always, we appreciate you guys for watching. We will be here again next Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. See you guys.
Bye, guys.